Hey everyone, today I am working with this ESP32 Cam, and this is ESP32-S3 Cam. This is new one. Okay, so when I compiling the web server, camera web server, the default code comes with the board is with 32 Cam, and I am facing this error include human face detect MSR 0.1.SPP, and I just want to troubleshoot this. Then I found if your ESP32 version board manager ESP32 board manager is 3 up to 3, then it will not work. So either you have to downgrade it to ESP32 version 2 like this, and there is a solution here. If I disable the human face detection, okay, so then we can use it. So here is it. This is creating the problem. So we will config face enable 0 and face config ESP face recognition enabled 0. Okay, so I made this to 0, so I don't want to face recognition. So if I try to upload the code right now, I hope this error will be gone. So you can see it's done compiling and it's uploading the code right now. Okay, so error is gone, and you can see if I restart this, you can see VSM found and Wi-Fi is connected, and this is the link to our code. Okay, you can see this is working. So start stream, and you can see it is start streaming. Okay, so I hope it will help you.